So I'll be showing you how to use one of the photos in your photos library as your iPhone's wallpaper. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions for previous iPhones and also the iPad. So the first thing you need to do is go into the Photos app and find the photo you want to use. It could be a live photo, it could be just a normal photo, it could be a portrait mode photo, depending on what you want really. So let's go ahead and uh, select a photo. I'm just going to select one random photo. Let me use this one for instance. So with the photo open, just tap on the share button in the bottom left corner, and then from the share menu just scroll up and you should see the option to use as wallpaper. So tap on that and then you can see how it looks good on my lock screen. So this is going to be the preview for my lock screen. Now you can see, because it's a portrait mode photo, it has that depth effect. If you want to turn that off, you can use the three dots at the bottom here and turn that off, okay, so that my face goes behind the widgets and the clocks. But if you want that depth effect where the wallpaper comes in front, you can use that. And then you can have different variations of this wallpaper if you want to. And then when you're happy, just tap on done at the top. And then it's going to ask you whether you want to set it as a wallpaper pair or you want to customize the home screen differently. Now I'm just going to choose customize home screen differently. Then I'm going to choose something else. Maybe I'll even choose a different photo for the home screen. You can go to recents and maybe I'll choose that one for my home screen and then tap on done. And now I have a different wallpaper on the home screen and on the lock screen. Okay, so once you tap on done, that's it. So now that's my home screen background, and then or my home screen wallpaper, that gray effect, and that's my lock screen wallpaper. Okay, all from the Photos app. Now another way you can do this is by going into settings. On the main settings page, we go to the top. So that's the main settings page. You should find the option for wallpaper. So tap on that. And then you have the option to change the lock screen wallpaper and the home screen wallpaper. So choose what you want. So for instance, if you want to change for the home screen, you can do that. And then you have all these options. You can choose different colors like that. You can choose to pair with a lock screen wallpaper, or you can tap on photo and get into your photo library and choose a photo there. Okay, just go to albums and then you can choose from one of the photos in your library. So that's basically how to change or how to set photo as your lock screen or home screen wallpaper on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.